Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video, and also like it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious moist Malva pudding. All the ingredients will be available in the description box below. Today I'm going to use this Snowflake Creations Malva pudding kit. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored, it's just that I love using this type of products. So what I like about this product is that it has the list of what is included in the box, and also it has the instructions, the cooking instructions, the baking time, and also the preparation time. The kit comes with a packet of brown sugar, and also it comes with 2 portions of apricot jam, and then it also comes with a packet of the Malva pudding mix. What we're going to do first, in a mixing bowl, we are going to combine 80 ml of cooking oil with 200 ml of milk, and we are also going to add in 1 egg. We are also going to add the 2 portions of the smooth apricot jam, so we're just going to add them in there. With a whisk, I'm going to combine all the wet ingredients together very well. Make sure you combine your ingredients together very well. After mixing them very well, we're going to add the Malva pudding mix. So I'm adding bit by bit so that I can prevent having a lot of lumps. After mixing your batter very well, you're going to place it into your glass dish. But if you do not have a baking glass dish, then you can use a cake tin. Just make sure you grease it very well. I used non-stick cooking spray, but you can also use butter or cooking oil. And now we are going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Make sure you preheat your oven before starting, and we are going to bake this for ± 25 minutes. Take note, 15 minutes into baking, we are going to start preparing our sauce. So in a pot, we are going to add 50 grams of margarine butter, and then we're just going to melt it. Once the butter has melted, we are going to add 1 cup of milk, which is equivalent to 250 ml of milk. We are now going to add the brown sugar that came with the kit, and we're just going to mix that together very well with a spatula. You can also use a wooden spoon. And now I'm just going to keep on mixing it until I bring it to a boil, and then we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the sauce is now done, and by this time the Malva cake should also be done baking, so you can check it with a wooden skewer. If it sticks, then you can let it bake for a little bit longer. The Malva cake is now done baking, so we are just going to pour the hot sauce onto the cake. So now I'm just going to pour the sauce onto the cake. This must be done immediately after baking, so the cake should be hot and the sauce must be hot as well. and then you're just going to pour it over. The sauce will start to seep into the cake, and you can see in the corners there it's bubbling up, and this is what we want. And now I'm just going to let it cool down for some minutes so that I can start serving it. And then we're just going to cut it up. I'm sorry for the change in lighting. I really don't know what was going on with the camera. Maybe it's also because the sun was about to set. I'm going to serve my Malva pudding with some homemade custard. So I'm having a video on how to make homemade custard on my YouTube channel, so you can click the card above there. You'll find a quick and easy recipe on how to make custard. You can also adjust the thickness of the custard. If you like it runny, you can add less corn flour, and if you like it thick, then you can add some more corn flour. And there we have it, guys. We just made our Malva pudding, and you can enjoy this as a dessert. It's very easy to make and very delicious. So that's why I'm just going to continue eating it. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.